Hey, what's up everybody? Checking out Resurrection Remix ROM on my Nexus 6 device. So I am currently running the Marshmallow version which was released in the month of March. In this video, I'll be doing a quick review of the features of this ROM and then I'll give you my insights on this ROM.
So, let's get resurrected.
The Resurrection Remix ROM is based on CM13 sources. Opening the Settings app, you see that all the customizations are clubbed under a single unit called Personalization. Personalization holds configurations and theme choosers. Onto configurations, you have status bar configurations, which includes clock customizations. You can align the clock to the right, to the center, to the left, or you can overall hide the clock. Then you can change the date style, the position of the date, the format of the date, the font of the date, and the font size of the date. Under battery customizations, you have the option to change the battery status style. There are a lot of different styles available here, like the dotted circle, the icon landscape, the portrait one, text, or you can hide the battery icon too. Then you have the option to enable battery bar. So what this basically does is it shows the status of your battery in a bar-like form on the top of the screen. You can change the location of the battery bar, you can place it at the bottom of the navigation bar or the top of the navigation bar. You can change its style, its color, and its thickness. Onto status bar icons. Here, onto status bar icons, you have ultimate control on which status bar icons are shown or hidden. You can change their colors. You can also enable carrier label and network traffic. For hardcore fans of the ROM, you have the option to enable the Resurrection logo. You also have the option to enable custom logos. There are a wide range of custom logos which you can select. And you can also change their colors. Next up are the weather settings. Here you can show the weather temperature on the status bar. Then you have the option to control the brightness by sliding on the status bar, display the notification count, use double tap to sleep, show the super user indicator, and show 4G instead of LTE and 3G instead of HSPA. My favorite feature from this ROM is the breathing notifications. So what this basically does is it gives a breathing effect to your notifications. This can be seen on the missed call icon on the status bar. You can also customize the notification drawer. The first is the notification header. Here you can set a time contextual header which will set up a background of the header according to the time of the day. As it is almost 12 AM, the color of the header is black. In the morning, it shows a rising sun. This is a nice little feature to have. Then you can also show or hide notification header items like the task manager, weather, alarm, and many more. You can also change the fonts of the notification panel. You can also change its colors. Then you have the option to force expand all the notifications and disable immersive mode messages. You can also change notification colors, although this seems to be a little buggy as somehow I just can't get it to work. I change the color of the notification background like this, but still there's no change, as you can see. Onto the quick settings panel, you have some common settings like the quick pull down and the smart pull down. Then you have QS vibrations for vibrations on touching quick setting tiles. You can also customize quick setting colors. Then you can disable quick settings on lock screen too, and enable or disable brightness slider and the brightness icon. Then you have navigation bar customization. There's this one really cool feature to enable Fling gesture interface. As the name suggests, this lets us use gestures instead of the traditional navigation bar. I believe the gesture to go back is to swipe to the left. For recents, it is swiping up. And for the home button, it is just simply to tap it. Under Smart Bar settings, you can toggle the button editor to add, remove, or change an icon. You can also change the layout position, the input method, actions, and the button touch animation. Finally, you have the option to restore the buttons to stock settings. You have the option to change navigation bar size. Oh, then there's Pulse. How did I skip that? So Pulse shows an equalizer bar style audio visualization on the navigation bar. Let me show you how this works. Keep your eyes glued to the navigation bar. One cool feature, isn't it? On to buttons. For the power button, you can choose what to show and hide on the power menu. You can use it to end a call or press it twice to launch camera. For volume buttons, here you can pretty much customize anything, ranging from waking up your device to reorienting the volume buttons in landscape mode. You can also customize volume steps, which is always a handy feature to have. On to recents, you can show search bar in recents menu, a memory bar, a clear all button, immersive recents, and clock and date. You also have two alternative recents. The first one is the slim recents. They are like these. You can customize them too. And you also have Omni Switch recents, which are a lot more cooler than the slim ones. For lock screen, under security, you have the option to show or hide power menu on the lock screen. Then there's quick unlock, which automatically unlocks your device when you enter the correct pin. This saves pressing the OK every time you wish to unlock your device. Then you can customize the secure lock screen bouncer, and you can also customize the notification count on your lock screen. Onto lock screen UI, you have lock screen blur. Now this is one cool feature, and what this does is it displays the content behind your lock screen in a blurred form, this way. Shortcuts on the lock screen are customizable too. You can customize the bottom shortcuts by going into bottom shortcuts and then choosing an application of your choice. Then you have lock screen gestures and wallpaper and weather options. Under animations, you have a plethora of options over here. You can change different system animations. You can change the duration. You can change your toast animations. You see there are a lot of customizations on offer over here. You can change the list view animations, the power menu animations, the IME animations. And then you can also enable scrolling cache. So what this basically does is it improves scrolling performance at the cost of memory. So I am keeping it disabled. Then there's the app circle bar. Now enabling this will show Circle app launcher by swiping on the right side of the screen. So this launcher holds your favorite apps. Under updates, you have the option to enable automatic updates, so which will notify you when a new update is available. Then you have the links to the ROM, to the changelog, and to the GApps. Now that was a short review of the features of this ROM. But what about the overall experience? what about the stability, the performance, and other factors which might make this ROM a daily driver? It makes me sad to acknowledge the fact that a ROM with so many great features falls short of the two most important factors, the stability and performance. Apart from the random slowdowns and a significant status bar lag like this, I also get system UI crashes 2 to 3 times in a day. To top this, sometimes the phone becomes unresponsive for a few seconds when I try to unlock it. The cellular data also does not work for me. The battery backup has been good though. I have been getting around 5 hours of screen on time with Wi-Fi and location enabled. So, will I recommend this as a daily driver? A simple no. Although the ROM comes with a plethora of features, but its stability and performance let it down. So according to me, it cannot qualify as a daily driver. But if you are amongst the more comfortable using rooted Android phones or are crazy for the number of customizations this ROM has to offer, you can surely try it out. So this sums up my review of the Resurrection Remix ROM for the Motorola Nexus 6. Feel free to share your ideas and suggestions in the comment section below. I'll be back with another video soon. Till then, goodbye.